With over 20 years of experience, we are a trusted manufacturer of cable assemblies and wiring harnesses. Certified to ISO 9001, IATF 16949 and ISO 13485 standards. Our solutions power industries from consumer electronics and medical devices to automotive, machine vision and aerospace. Choose from LVDS micro-coaxial, FFC waterproof and molded cables, all built with premium connectors like Molex, JST and Tyco. When your project demands precision and reliability, we deliver fast lead times and consistent quality you can count on. Reach out today, let's create the right solution together. With over 20 years of experience, we are a trusted manufacturer of cable assemblies and wiring harnesses. Certified to ISO 9001.